welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for my CVS deals video, and happy new week to you all, and I wish you all a great week. This is the first week for this 2 weeks ad cycle and we have some good deals going on. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you get something out of this video, and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go check out these deals. The first deal I have here is buy 2 get $2 back on select You by Kotex products, and they're on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up the 16 count tampon and pick up one of the 50 count liners, or you can pick up a pack of pad if that's what you want. I'm showing it this way because of the offers we have on Ibotta, but picking up these 2 will total $10. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and we also receive a $1 off digital coupon. Both will double dip and take off $4, dropping it down to $6, and you get $2 back. Then check your Ibotta. The liner is giving back $1, and the tampon is also giving back $1. That will be a total of $2 from Ibotta, and that's why I'm showing this deal this way. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 300 kicks on each one, and that's a total of 600 kicks, which is equals to $2.40. After all these rebates, these 2 will end up free and 40 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have is on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, and these 2 will total $9.98. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.98, and you get 4 back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is not giving back extra care box, and that's on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99. Pick up 2, and both will total $7.98. We received a 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 98 cents for both, or just 49 cents each. If you have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT, this will make a good filler item. This week we have CoverGirl on spend 15 get 6 back, and this includes the Sally Hansen too. Pick up 3 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and the 3 will total $17.37. We received the $3 mystery offer today. If you have the 10 seed saving set, we have $3 CoverGirl eye coupons in them. You can use 3. The CRTs and the 3 coupons will take off $12, dropping it down to $5.37, and you get $6 back, making this 3 free and 63 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Maybelline or L'Oreal cosmetics, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline baby lips priced at $4.99 each, and these 2 will total $9.98. We all received a $3 mystery offer that will drop it down to $6.98, and you get 6 back, making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Next deal I have will be on Garnier facial care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. With this deal, I'm going to show you different ways to do it, because in my store, most times we only have 1 of the eye makeup remover pad. But if your store have 2 of the eye makeup remover pads, pick up 2. They are priced at $7.79, and because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90, and both will total $11.69. Use the $2 digital coupon everybody have, and I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT. The CRT and the coupon will take off 4, dropping it down to $7.69, and you get 5 back, making both just $2.69 or $1.35 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 of the Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub priced at $9.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $5. These 2 will total $14.99. Use the $2 digital coupon and the 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT. Both will drop it down to $10.99, and you get 5 back, making both just $5.99 or $3 each. And the third option I have is to pick up 1 of the Blackhead Eliminating Scrub priced at $9.99, and the eye makeup remover pad, that will be the half off, priced at $3.90. These 2 will total $13.89. Use the $2 digital coupon and the 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. That will drop it down to $9.89 and you get 5 back, making both just $4.89 or $2.45 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back, and Eucerin lotion is part of this deal. Pick up 3 of the 5 ounces original healing lotion. They are priced at $7.49 here, but when I check the app, it's priced at $6.99. And my store will modify the price if you show them what it is on the app. Pick up 3 at $6.99 each, and they will total $20.97. Use the 5 off 2 Eucerin coupon and a $3 off Eucerin coupon. I think this coupon came in the 9/22 savings set. I'm not too sure, but if I'm wrong, you can put the right date in the comment section, and thank you for that. If you use these 2 coupons, it will take off 8, dropping it down to $12.97, and you get 10 back, and that will make these 3 lotions just $2.97 or 99 cents each. Next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on Nivea body wash. They're on sale for buy one get one free. Pick up 2 of the men's Nivea body wash. One will be full price and the second one will be free, and it's priced at $6.29. Pay that, and that will make these 2 just $6.29 or $3.15 each, and this will also make a good filler item. But if you prefer the women's body wash, they are priced at $7.49. Pick up 2, pay $7.49 for both or $3.75 each. The next deal I have is buy one get $3 back on all Aveeno or Neutrogena bath and shower. Pick up the Aveeno Soothing Bath Treatment, priced at $12.49. I have a 3 of 12 Aveeno Body Wash CRT that is attaching to it, and there is another $3 Aveeno digital coupon that will apply to this product. That will take off $6, dropping it down to $6.49, and you get 3 back, making it just $3.49. My next deal is on Chic disposable razors. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up one priced at $10.79, and the second one will be the Chic Extreme Sensitive, priced at $9.99. And since they're on sale for buy one get one half off, the lower priced one will be the half off, and the second one will be $5. These 2 will total $15.79. We have 2 $4 off digital coupon for each razor. I have a 4 off 16 Chic CRT. My total before the coupons was $15.79, and that's within the 98% rule to use the 4 off 16. 98% of $16 is $15.68, and the total for these 2 products before coupons is $15.79. That means you can use the 4 off 16. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off 12, dropping it down to $3.79, and you get 3 back, making them just 79 cents or 40 cents each. Another easy deal you can do this week, no coupons required, will be on Gillette Shave Foam. They are part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. They are priced at $3.89 each, and the second one will be $1.95. These 2 will total $5.84. Pay that and get $3 back, making both just $2.84 or $1.42 each. If you prefer the Gillette or Venus disposable razors, they are part of this deal, and we received a $3 digital coupon for each product. Next deal I have is on Dove liquid hand wash. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2. The first one will be $5.79 and the second one will be $2.90. Both will total $8.69. I have these 2 off 2 any Dove product coupon. That's a Unilever email coupon, which will drop it down to $6.69, and you get $2 back, making these 2 hand wash just $4.69 or $2.35 each. My next deal is on Aussie Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of the buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2. They are priced at $5.19, and the second one will be $2.60. That's 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. And these 2 will total $7.79. Pay that and get $4 back, making both just $3.79 or $1.90 each. Next hair care deal I have will be on Dove shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 1 Dove shampoo and 1 Dove conditioner, priced at $5.19 each. And these two will total $10.38. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.38 and you get 4 back, making both just $2.38 or $1.19 each. The next deal I have is on whole blend shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5 and you get 2 back, making both just $3 or $1.50 each. The last hair care deal I have is on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7 and you get 2 back, making both just $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have is on Centrum. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 1 65 count men's Centrum Silver, priced at $9.99, and pick up 1 65 count women's Centrum Silver, also priced at $9.99. And since both are the same price, one of them will adjust to $5 because of the buy 1 get 1 half off. And these two will total $14.99. I will use two $3 Centrum coupon I got from coupons.com. They are no longer available, and this will be a Sunday only deal because they will expire on Sunday. That will take off $6, dropping it down to $8.99. You get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each, which will end up making these two free. CVS vitamins are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and the cheapest I can find is priced at $4.99. Pick up 2, pay the $4.99, and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That will be a total of $2 from Ibotta, which will end up making these two just $2.99 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have is on pull-ups. They're on the deal of spend 20 get 5 back, limit of 1 per week, and they're on sale for 2 for $21. Pick up 2. We have 2 coupons attaching to this product. We have a 3 off 2 and $1 off. Both will double dip and take off 4, dropping it down to $17, and you get 5 back, making these 2 pack just $12 or $6 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back on Scott Bag Tissue 12 rolls. They're on sale for $10.49. Pick up 2. Both will total $20.98. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $17.98, and you get 5 back, making it just $12.98 for both or $6.49 each. The next deal I have is on 40-ounce Persil detergents. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2, and they are priced at $10.29. That means you'll be paying for 1, pay the $10.29 and get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That will be a total of $3 from Ibotta. After the $3 back from Ibotta, these two will end up costing just $5.29 or $2.65 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.